Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Erica and for today's video, we are gonna go through the Schengen Visa checklist. So ito yung mga i-compile yung documents when you are submitting your application for your Schengen Visa. So nung ako ang nag-apply, this is my personal checklist. But I made a special checklist, more detailed one for you guys. I will try to put on chapters and timestamps within the video para kung meron kayong gustong puntahan na item na mas in detail, so pwede nyo magawa yon. And just keep on watching until the end kasi meron akong important tips for you when you are compiling your documents. Alright guys, so simulan na natin. So number 1 on your requirement is visa appointment letter. So this is 3 pages. Ito yung isa-send sa inyo ng VFS pag nag-book kayo ng appointment sa inyong email. Nandun yan sa email nyo. So nandyan na rin yung resibo kung meron kayong pinurchase na additional services like for example, courier services. And then the second one is yung checklist. Yes, meron po kayong ipiprint na official checklist and importante yan kasi yan ang gagamitin nung pagpapasahan nyo na checklist para sa inyong documents. At the same time, kung meron siyang notes na kung meron kang kulang or anything, doon nyo yun ilalagay at yun yung ipapasa sa embassy. Alright? And the next one is yung visa application. So this is 8 pages. Meron akong detailed video on how to fill up this visa application. So importante yan. And then the next one is yung inyong new and old passport. So guys, remember, for your old passports, all you need to do is to photocopy the biodata page, which is yung yung may picture nyo, yung back, fill upan nyo din sana yan. And then, lahat nung may mga stamps nyo. So, lahat lang ng pages na may mga stamps. And if ever na meron kayong previous visas from other places, like for example, tong sa akin, meron siyang from visa for Saudi Arabia. So, ayun, nakakatulong yan, guys. And then, for your passport nga pala, yung bago nyong passport, make sure to sign. Meron dun pinipirmahan. I think it's the 3rd page. So, pirmahan nyo na din yon. And then, at the back, i-fill up nyo na rin yung inyong contact person. So, ayun siya, guys. And then, the next one is yung inyong passport photo. So, ito yung aking passport photo. So, ayan siya, guys. So, the passport photo is not 1.5 by 1.5 or 2 by 2. So, pupunta lang kayo sa mga studio and then you just say for Schengen Visa. So, ayun guys, meron yan mga specific details na susundin. Okay? 2 pieces. And then, the next one is, ito yung isa sa pinaka-importante, which is proof of financial means. So, ano yan? For example, yung mga bank certificates. Ako, meron ako ditong bank certificate. So, ano itsura ng bank certificate? Ganito yan. So, ganito siya. Yung mga bank certificates. So, sa akin, sa BPI, siningil ako ng 300 per certificate. And also, we need your bank statements. So, sa bank statements, at least 6 months. Okay? Ako, ang pinasa ko lang is 3 months kasi medyo late ko na nabasa. Pero mas maganda kung 6 months yung inyong ipapas na bank statements. And then, actually, extra na lang to because I have a mutual fund. So, nanghingi na rin ako ng certificate for that mutual fund. So, yun. Pakakatulong yan kasi to prove na kaya mong i-finance yung iyong trip to the Schengen area. So, ayun siya, guys. And then, kung meron ka rin palang mga credit card statements, and ako in-include ko na rin yung e-wallet statement. So, for example, yung GCash nyo, dun kayo kumikita or something, meron kayong side hustle, pwede nyo yung, meron doon na pwede nyo i-print yung statement nyo. So, ayun siya. And then, we move on to the next one, which is yung proof of travel. So, sa proof of travel, we need a detailed daily itinerary. So, detailed, paano detailed? Yes, per day. Nakasulat dyan kung kunwari free day or we will tour on this area or we will go to the beach or ganun po siya. Okay, guys? And then, proof of accommodation. So, nandito na yung mga, kung meron kayong mga hotel booking. Actually, pinapagawa din kayo ng mga dummy hotel bookings. Actually, hindi dapat talaga dummy. Pero may mga people na nag-offer ng ganong services. Or, tulad nung sa akin, na meron akong letter of promise of accommodation. Kasi meron akong friend doon na mag-accommodate sa akin at magpo-provide sa akin ng roof over my head. So, ang kailangan is a letter from her and also yung photocopy or picture ng kanyang biodata page sa kanyang passport. So, yun ang importante pag pag hindi hotel booking ang gagamitin nyo. And actually, meron na rin ako dito. Extra na lang to. This is another one. It's a letter of invitation. So, meron kasing nag-invite sa akin. So, pinrovide niya ako ng letter of invitation supporting my character na hindi ako nagtatagong tao or mapagkakatiwalaan. And then, of course, photocopy then yung kanilang biodata page sa passport. Alright? And then, the next one is a proof of ties in the Philippines. So, para saan ba yan? To prove na babalik ka ng Pilipinas at hindi ka magti-TNT at magtatago doon. So, kung meron kang real estate property, like for me, meron akong isang land title. So, pinotocopy ko yon at pinovide ko. So, ayun, yun yung isa sa mga proof of ties ko. And also, birth certificate and marriage certificate. Kung meron kayong asawa or anak. And sa akin kasi, ang sinabi kong reason din ba't ako babalik ng Pilipinas is I have senior parents at sila yung inaalagaan ko. So, kailangan nila ako sa Pinas. Kaya babalik ako ng Pilipinas. So, ayun guys. Dapat yon nga pala is PSA copy. Make sure it's a PSA copy. Pag NSO. So, hindi na po yung tatanggapin. And then, photocopy lang naman nun ng mga original documents. Okay? And then, after that, we have the proof of occupation. So, ano naman to? For ating mga Pinoy dyan na employed, so you need your certificate of employment, leave of absence, and yung ITR nyo, yung income tax return. Okay? And then for self-employed, so proof of company registration, yung sa DTI, and also ITR, and any other supporting documents sa business nyo na kumikita. So, paano naman ako? Kasi my source of income is savings and online. So, wala akong ITR. Just make sure na kung wala kayong ITR, guys, is maisusulat nyo yan sa inyong cover letter na kung bakit wala kayo nun. Okay? And then, if you're a student, proof of enrollment and the leave of absence. And another thing na importante, the next one is your proof of health insurance. So, yung inyong travel insurance. Akin yung travel insurance ko is from Malayan. For 31 days, it's 3,700 plus. And kasi ang kailangan nyo na insurance is at least 30,000 euros, which is about 1.8 million pesos. So, ayun po siya. Kailangan under your name. Importante ang travel insurance at hindi po kayo makakaalis kung wala po kayo niyan. Okay? And then, so yun lang po ang pinaka-basics. And then, yung mga extra documents po natin, number 1, of course, is your plane ticket. Guys, ang may advice ko sa inyo is to try to book a ticket na pwede nyo i-cancel. Ako personally, malakas lang yata yung loob na ang kinuhan ticket is yung walang cancellation. So, ayun. Alam niyo yung sobrang kaba. So, ayun siya guys. So, a plane ticket back and forth. Importante to guys. Pag wala kayo nito, hindi ma-approve ang inyong visa. Kasi, kailangan mapatunayan nyo na babalik talaga kayo ng Pilipinas. Okay? And then, ako, personally, meron nga pala akong pinasa na festival ticket kasi meron kami nga attendan doon na festival at meron na ring ticket online. So, pinrint ko din yun at pinasa ko. So, kung meron kayong mga events and booked activities on the place itself, makakatulong yan guys pag pinasa nyo na din siya. And then, ako, nagpasa ako ng photocopy of my vaccine card. Hindi kailangan pero ginawa ko na din. So, yun, nagpasa ako niyan, yung vaccine card ko for COVID, hanggang 4th dose yan. Ready for traveling. And, of course, isa sa pinaka-importante is yung inyong cover letter. So, sa cover letter, guys, dyan yun, isusulat yung name nyo, passport number, and yung reason nyo for traveling in that place, and kung reason nyo kung ba't din kayo babalik. Doon din po nakalagay kung meron kayong mga kulang na documents. Like, for example, yung sa akin, nung wala akong ITR, in-explain ko doon kung bakit. So, ayun guys. Gawin yung mahalimuyak at maganda ang inyong cover letter kasi babasahin at babasahin talaga yun ng embassy. Okay? And then, ako personally nga pala, I also included, kasi dun sa cover letter ko nakalagay na nagta-travel ako and I share my travels through my YouTube channel. So, pinrovide ko yung aking YouTube channel and then yung mga videos ko doon about traveling. So, personal details lang. Also, my streamer profile kasi I'm a streamer. And also, yung aking, tawag dito, yung aking profile as a casino agent, online casino agent. So, para rin extra proof of financial means na kaya ko talagang i-finance yung sarili kong trip. So, ayun guys, those are the basics. Binilisan ko lang. And, so nga pala, for the tips, number 1, kailangan pag nagpapasa kayo, A4 ang paper. Not short, not long, but A4. Alright, remember that. Pag nagpo-photocopy kayo, ganun din. Okay? It has to be on A4. And then guys, kung yung mga important documents nyo, i-paperclip nyo na yan sama-sama. So, for example, tulad dito, like yung bank statements, kung ako kasi dalawa yung bank statements ko for 2 different accounts, so kinlip ko siya tig-isa. So ayun, pagsama-samahin nyo na yung mga importanteng bagay. And again, use paperclip and do not staple your documents. Okay? So be professional. And then, nga pala guys, just last advice ko sa inyo, when you are booking an appointment online, book early. Ako, personally, ang maya advice ko sa inyo, at hindi siguro i-advise to ng iba, is mag-book ka na ng appointment before mo pa kompletuhin yung lahat ng documents mo. Kasi yung sa akin, I spent like 2 weeks to complete my documents. And nung ready na ako para mag-book, ang susunod na available slot is after a month na. And that slot is only 2 weeks before yung intended flight ko. So, ang problem doon is ang visa applications, usually pinaprocess daw yan ng mga 15 calendar days at least. And then, it could be more. So, sa akin, yung kaba ko talaga, sobra-sobra kung aabot ba or hindi. So, ang advice ko sa inyo is book your appointment muna before you complete your documents. And also, you could try, tulad ng ginawa ko kasi personally, ang una kong application is for tourist. And then, nung tiningnan ko kung ano yung available na slot, it's only 3 days before the flight. And then, pinalitan ko siya to visiting family and friends kasi pareho naman yun talaga ang purpose ko. So, nagkaroon ng slot 1 week earlier or 1.5 weeks earlier. So, ayun guys. Thankful naman ako kasi every now and then, kung medyo late na appointment nyo, i-check nyo yung availability. So, pupunta lang kayo sa website and then mag-login kayo. Try nyo lang kunwari yung reschedule appointment kasi makikita nyo doon yung mga available na slots. So, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, check it every now and then kasi yung appointment ko na supposed to be May 14 at naghanap ako noon around April 15, gano'n naghanap ako. Ang nakuha ko is May 14 na. So, every now and then I was checking and then I don't know, but April 25 at 10 p.m. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I just checked. Sabi ko, try ko kaya mag-reschedule. And something opened up the next day, April 26, ng 7:30. So, I spent the whole night completing all my requirements. And, ayun nga, nakapagpasa ko agad. And, honestly, it's still on process, pero happy ako kasi nakakuha ako ng earlier appointment. So, yun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope na na-inform ko kayo. At marami pa akong ibang videos for the Schengen Visa. So, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Makakatulong yan. And check out my other videos. And see you in the Schengen area, guys.